If there ever was such a thing as a company that could do almost anything, well, Tennekee Properties is it. These guys know how to completely transform your existing home into something new, or just do it room by room. That's Tennekee Properties. Visit Tennekee.com or phone 931-244-4602.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
Through all the stormy weather we had for the first half of the weekend, we are back to quiet weather on this Monday. High pressure overhead, mostly clear skies today, and as that high pressure shifts off to the east, the next couple days will actually start to warm up the temperatures just a little bit. We hit 49 degrees today at the studio after starting all the way down at 21 here in Lawrenceburg at the studio this morning. No rainfall, and it's going to take a while to change that. We do have a slight chance of showers in the forecast for the weekend, but it's very possible that as we go closer to that, we may have to pull those rain chances back with the bulk of it staying to the south. We'll talk about the details here in just a moment. Futurecast tonight showing us mostly clear, dropping out of the 40s into the 30s very quickly. Some places already are, and then into the upper 20s. We have mid to upper 20s for a large part of the area for our official forecast lows, but I'm going to give it a range between the mid 20s to near 30 or so, depending on if we get the breeze to kick up out of the south a little bit toward daybreak. That would mix up the air in the lower atmosphere and keep us from getting quite as cool as what we otherwise would, but especially over southern Middle Tennessee, be ready for as cold as the mid 20s tonight, and then maybe a couple degrees milder than that toward daybreak if the winds kick up. More the same in northwest Alabama. Be ready for as chilly as the mid to upper 20s, but if the breeze kicks up after midnight, maybe closer to the upper 20s, lower 30s. Plenty of sunshine here for a Tuesday, and as the southwesterly breeze kicks up a little bit, that will allow temperatures to moderate back into the mid to upper 50s for daytime highs before we start to see clouds moving in tomorrow night, and that keeps us from dropping too far out of the mid 30s. Rain chances here the next 7 days, pretty minuscule, all things considered. We might see a shower or two over the weekend, but the main activity staying south of our area with that low likely tracking near or over the Gulf of Mexico. So questionable rain chances Saturday into Sunday. Daytime highs, though, headed toward the mid to upper 50s starting Tuesday tomorrow and heading all the way through the weekend into early next week. Overnight lows also coming back up out of the sub-freezing range into the mid to upper 30s once we get past tonight. Clear skies out there below freezing into the 20s for most of us for overnight lows, and then headed toward the mid to upper 50s tomorrow. Partly sunny to mostly sunny out there over southern Middle Tennessee. More of the same over northwest Alabama, mid to upper 50s here, with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. 7-day forecast looks like this. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Clouds start increasing Friday, and then questionable chance of showers as we head Saturday into Sunday with that system over the Gulf. Models are kind of back and forth with how far north the rain will come, so we'll watch that the next few days. Daytime highs the next 7 days into the mid to upper 50s. There's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock with another check of your local weather.